Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. I'd like to share a simple teaching that we often share with little babies when we do their native naming ceremonies in Ojibwe country. And the teaching is simply this, that especially when we're very young, we are meeting many different people, but we are also meeting many different spirits when we're out and about. So we encourage parents to have their children go barefoot from time to time. It's kind of like when we shake hands with someone. If we always have a glove or a mitten on, it's less personal. But if our skin touches, then it's a more intimate connection. It's kind of like greeting and meeting. And similarly, we will tell people to have their children wear a pair of moccasins from time to time, just for everyday social stuff, walking around. And when they do that, it's kind of like having their bare skin touch the ground, and they're greeting and meeting all of these spirits and everything in creation, the grass, the dirt, and so forth. And we will often also do this with a baby's first moccasins. So the moccasins can be made anywhere from simple to very elaborate with beadwork and so forth, but we'll usually take a needle and we'll put a little tiny hole and just work that hole into the bottom of the moccasin. And what it is it's a way of saying, look, my brand new baby, my sacred baby is here and we're so grateful, but look, they're so pitiful. They already have a hole in their moccasins. And it's a way of saying, people I think worried a lot about infant mortality and things like that in former times. And it's a way of saying, take pity on my baby. Let her live a long time. She's already got holes in her moccasins. And so it's just kind of a way to invoke the kindness or blessings of the manitug, the spirits, with the child's first moccasins. After that, no longer considered a requirement, but that's usually customary for the first pair of moccasins that a child has. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.